Decoding the Subtleties, Synonyms and Antonyms in Context. Hello language learners. Welcome back to another episode on Advanced Vocabulary. Today we'll be delving into a fascinating topic: understanding the nuances of synonyms and antonyms in context. As we all know, words are the building blocks of language. But did you know that the same word can mean different things depending on the context? In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries behind synonyms and antonyms, and how context can subtly change their meaning. Synonyms, as you might know, are words with similar meanings. But they're not always interchangeable, because their connotations can differ depending on the context. Let's consider the words happy, joyful, and ecstatic. They are all synonyms, but do they convey the same intensity of happiness? Not really. Ecstatic is a stronger expression than joyful, which is stronger than happy. So, understanding these nuances is crucial for using synonyms appropriately. Here's a fun activity to help you grasp the concept. I'll give you a sentence and a list of synonyms. Your task is to select the most appropriate synonym based on the context. Example, sentence: she was __ after receiving her favorite book as a gift. Synonyms: happy, delighted, overjoyed. Could you pick the most suitable word? That's right, delighted fits best here. Now, let's talk about antonyms, words with opposite meanings. Just like synonyms, the context plays a vital role in determining which antonym to use. Consider the words cold, cool, and chilly. All are antonyms of hot, but do they express the same degree of temperature? Definitely not. The nuances lie in their intensity. For this activity, I'll provide a sentence with a word, and your task is to find the most suitable antonym from the given list, based on the context. Example, sentence: the coffee is too __. Antonyms: cold, lukewarm, chilled. Which one did you pick? Lukewarm is the right choice, as it suggests that the coffee isn't hot enough, not that it's completely cold. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the subtleties of synonyms and antonyms in context. Remember, the key to mastering this topic is practice. The more you read, write, and speak, the more familiar you'll become with these nuances. I hope this video has helped you to deepen your understanding of the English language. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the beauty of words.